together on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Ben and Renee. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. This ceremony is a public affirmation of that bond. It is our hope that your fulfillment and joy in each other will increase with each passing year. I, Ben, choose you, Renee, to be my wife.
I, Ben, choose you, Renee, to be my wife.
My partner, my best friend.
My partner, my best friend.
I will celebrate my life with you.
I will celebrate my life with you.
And you shall never walk alone.
And you'll never walk alone.
Always remember.
Always remember.
I am not perfect.
I'm definitely not perfect.
But I am perfect for you.
I'm perfect for you.
I, Renee, choose you, Ben, to be my husband.
I, Renee, choose you, Ben, to be my husband.
My partner, my best friend.
My partner, my best friend.
I will celebrate my life with you.
I will celebrate my life with you.
And you shall never walk alone.
And you shall never walk alone.
Always remember.
Always remember.
I am.
I am.
Always perfect.
Always perfect. Yes.
Ben and Renee, from this moment forward, you will never be alone. You will carry with you the love of another person, giving you completeness and renewed lightness. May your life together be immersed in love and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every possible way. Having pledged your fidelity to one another, to love, honor, and cherish one another in the presence of this gathering, and by the authority vested in me by the state of Nevada, it is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.